back to the channel. We have something different today. We're gonna be working on that today.
Oh, there's two.
We're gonna be installing, as you can see, right here we got our bull bar that's gonna go in the front. Actually, I'm not gonna be doing it. He's gonna be doing it today. So yeah, it should be a easy install. Hopefully.
Pretty sure it just goes right there.
If not, we're just crazy glue it on. Oh. The Miata's front end is literally the same size as the tire. But yeah, first we gotta open it. I told him no instructions. He just has to go for it, just like everything that we do. But he wanted to be a little bee. Everything starts to... They scratched it. Oh, this got scratched. Hopefully the front's not scratched up though.
And dented.
Oh, it is dented. What the fuck?
Right here. And right here.
No. Indented, guys. Should we just put it on? So I guess during shipping it got a little dinged up. Has a ding right here. And it also has a ding down here as well. We're gonna go ahead and tell the company and see if they send us a new one. But for now, let me see, hold it up. My dude already failed. He opened up the toolbox the other way around and dropped everything.
It was stuck.
No, it was not.
Yeah, it was stuck.
But once he's finished, it should be pretty easy. We just gotta remove these stock. I guess you tow out of these. Both of these, remove them. Install these in here. And it should be good. Once he's finished.
I'm almost done.
Finally got everything organized. Now let's go ahead and remove that. I wasn't holding it.
No.
I'm just kidding.
If it falls
On your face.
that's gonna hurt.
Well, he was supposed to do this job by himself, but I ain't trying to be out here the whole day just doing this. Alright, the stock ones are finally out. Now we gotta put these new ones, but they don't fit, so we're just gonna cut it a little bit. Here, hold on. shit looks like a fucking tank. Okay, hold on. Damn, we weren't supposed to do it. We're supposed to get the first reaction after.
I know.
That shit looks like a fucking tank though. And you said not to get this.
No, I didn't. I said not a little one.
This is a little one.
No, that one looks pretty big.
Alright guys, so we finished putting the mounting points. It fought us a little just because we either gotta hit it, make it wider, longer. It has a lot of play on it. But now we're gonna mount the actual bar on the plates, and he's gonna put 2 support ones in there to just to hold it in place, and then we'll see how it looks. So we have finished the front end. As you know, we do have a Mustang, which is the crowd killer, but this is gonna be the real crowd killer right here. Imagine the combo. Once this guy starts fully driving, man, the crowds are gonna be nothing. That's what we're gonna name it, the real crowd killer over here. So she's not gonna go or what? All right, so we're gonna show you guys right now and cue the B-roll. Alright, so right now we're just finishing off the front end. As you guys saw the B-roll. We always forget to do it before and after. As you guys saw the B-roll though, it's done. We did get an emblem for it, which is the Mexico. A lot of the tacuaches have it. We decided to get it too because I just like how it looks with the little Mexico plaque right here. I know a lot of cars have different ones, like the old Nissans, the old Japanese cars and Euros and stuff like that. They have their own thing too, but we got a Mexico one for the truck. So yeah, we just gotta remove the grill, at least half of it, because there's no way to get in there. That way we could put the back plate on it, that way it doesn't fall off. So yeah, we'll show you guys right now.